Last video, we showed you 10 cars that are basically impossible to get a deal on right now. 38 of you left the same comment. Okay, so what can we buy? Today, the answer. At number 10, the Mazda CX-30. Before we get into it, one metric you need to understand. Market days supply. I'm using it for every car on this list. It's how many days it would take dealers to sell every car on their lot at the current sales rate. Above 60 days, you have leverage. Well above 60, dealers are motivated to deal. We're pulling from CarEdge July-August 2026 data, Edmunds August 2026 pricing, and Vindau Stickers real-time inventory tracker. These numbers move week to week, but the pattern right now is clear. The CX-30 is sitting above 60 days. Mazda broadly is in what CarEdge calls the best mix category, meaning real negotiation room exists. Verified buyers are getting 2 to 3% off MSRP, and Mazda is running 0% APR on select trims right now. The invoice gap, the difference between what the dealer paid and what they're asking, is roughly $1,000 to $1,700 on this car. Start there. If you were looking at a base RAV4 or a Corolla Cross, same entry-level footprint, similar price point, the CX-30 is your answer right now. Except you can actually negotiate on it. Number 9, the Mazda CX-5. This one just got a fresh redesign, which means two things. Some inventory is still building, and dealers are motivated to move the new models off the lot. Get this, CarWare tracked 82 verified transactions on the CX-5 in August 2026. Buyers are averaging 7% off MSRP, about $920 on a typical transaction. And the best deals on sitting inventory, double-digit discounts. Fairness note here. The new redesign means some trims are still moving fast. Check your local inventory before making the trip. If it's been on the lot 45 days or more, that's your car. If you were cross-shopping the upper RAV4 trims, the hybrid, the XSE, the higher trims for interior quality and refinement, the CX-5 beats the RAV4 on fit and finish at this price point. And right now you can actually negotiate on it. RAV4 hybrid at MSRP or CX-5 with 0% APR. That's the choice. Number 8, the Subaru Impreza. And not the Subaru you might be thinking of. Stay with me. The Impreza is taking 43 days to sell on average. The overall market average right now is 28 days. That gap matters, and I'll tell you exactly why in a second. Edmunds August 2026 data. Shoppers are paying roughly $1,500 below sticker on the Impreza is $26,595, so you're looking at around $25,000 for an AWD sedan after negotiation. That is the lowest priced standard AWD sedan in America. Now, here's the dealer psychology behind that 43-day number. When a car sits 43 days while the market averages 28, the dealer is paying floor plan interest on it. That's the cost of keeping an unsold car on the lot. It comes out of their pocket every day. Walk in on the 25th of the month. They'll happily lose $1,500 just to clear that floor plan interest off their books. The Toyota Corolla has the same reliability reputation. But AWD is standard on the Impreza. It's an option on the Corolla. And right now, the Impreza has a $500 discount built in. The Corolla doesn't. Number 7, and this is the Subaru I was talking about. The Forester 0.77 days supply. That's over 2 months of inventory sitting on dealer lots right now. For context, it was 103 days in late 2025 before the 2026 models started arriving. Even after that sell-down, it's still sitting at 77. CarEdge listings in August 2026 are showing 2026 Foresters priced $1,000 to $2,000 below MSRP right now. That's not a one-off, that's the pattern across the brand. Specifically, if you were looking at the RAV4 Woodland or Adventure trims for real AWD capability and better outward visibility, the Forester does both better, and it does them standard. Here's the kicker. RAV4 Woodland has a wait list in most markets right now. The Forester is sitting 77 days. One of these you negotiate. One of these you wait for, number 6. The Kia Soul. The Soul is one of those vehicles with a genuinely loyal buyer base. People who love it, love it. But that niche appeal means it sits longer than it should, and Kia knows it. Below MSRP deals are available. Kia is running incentives. This is a car where walking in with a competing quote from another Kia dealer immediately moves the conversation. If you were looking at the Toyota Corolla Cross for practicality, the Soul has more cargo space, more personality, and a better deal attached to it. Number 5, and this is the one I want you to pay attention to before I tell you what's happening here. Take a guess. How many 2025 Nissan Frontiers are left in dealer inventory nationwide? As of late July 2026, around 100 trucks left nationwide. No fresh 2025 shipments are coming. That model year is done. If you're watching this early, those trucks are sitting with around $4,200 under MSRP before incentives. If one is near you, move fast. If you're watching this later and they're gone, the 2026 Frontier is what matters. CarEdge July 2026 called it the best retail truck deal in the market. $4, $500 cash back or 0% APR. Your choice, $4,500 cash back. That's 18 months of car insurance paid for. On a truck that competes directly with the Tacoma same segment. Same capability conversation. Tacoma is at or above MSRP in most markets right now. Frontier is $4,500 cash back. You do the math. Number 4, the Kia Telluride. And before I get into the numbers, stop for a second. Notice what's happening on this list. Kia, Hyundai, Korean brands. Nissan, Mazda, Subaru, value-focused Japanese brands. These aren't second-rate cars. These are brands actively fighting for market share while Toyota sits back and charges markups. Their desperation is your leverage. Vindo Sticker is tracking over 8,000 Tellurides in August 2026, every single one priced at or below MSRP. Average discount, $1,395 off sticker. And get this, July 2026 was the Telluride's best sales month ever. 11,816 sold in 1 month. Inventory is still at 8,000 plus units. Demand is at a record high. Prices are still down. That window will not last forever. Remember when Telluride had $5,000 markups? 2021, 2022, 2023. That world is gone. If you need 3 rows and real capability, the Telluride averages $1,395 off sticker right now. The Toyota 4Runner and Highlander are at or above MSRP. Number 3, and I'm giving this slot to 2 cars because they're essentially the same decision, the Kia Sportage and the Hyundai Tucson. Both are sitting above 60 days supply. Both have incentives running. Both are below MSRP across most trim levels. If you were comparing these against the RAV4, XLE, and XLE Premium, the volume trims most buyers are actually looking at. Here's what's different. Kia and Hyundai offer longer warranty coverage than Toyota. 5-year, 60,000 miles bumper to bumper. 10-year, 100,000 miles powertrain. And they're priced below the RAV4 with a discount on top. If you were comparing features on paper, these win on value, not compromise. Value number 2, the Nissan Rogue. CarEdge July 2026 data, $3,500 cashback or 0% APR on the Rogue, in what CarEdge called the most competitive crossover segment in America. This is the most overlooked deal in the compact crossover space right now. Same buyer, same budget as the RAV4 LE and XLE. The Rogue actually has more rear cabin space than the RAV4. $3,500 cash back. Zero waiting. RAV4 LE has roughly a 10-day supply right now and full MSRP. That's the whole comparison. One more thing, if you're open to a plug-in hybrid, the Nissan Rogue PH is sitting at 443 days supply right now, 1,940 units on lots. CarEdge flagged it as one of the slowest selling cars in America. If you want maximum leverage, that's your car. If you want the full breakdown on PHEV deals specifically, drop a comment. Enough of you ask, I'll do a separate video on it. Number 1, the biggest deal on this list, the Nissan Murano, over 160 days supply. That's over 5 months of inventory sitting at dealers right now. You might see older numbers floating around online, 200 days, even 240 days. CarEdge latest August 2026 data puts it at 165 days, still over 5 months. Either way, the number that actually matters is this $5,000 cash back or 0% APR. That's the biggest cash incentive in the Nissan lineup right now. And here's what I want you to understand. This is not a distress signal. The Murano just got a brand new redesign. Inventory always builds before demand catches up on a new model. The $5,000 cash is a launch incentive. The car is fine. The deal is real. If you want a mid-size crossover with a near luxury feel, nobody is fighting over the Murano right now. Everybody is fighting over the Highlander. $5,000 is the difference. You noticed what happened on this list? Nissan showed up 3 times. Kia twice. Mazda twice. Subaru twice. These are brands competing on value. Toyota competes on demand. That's not a criticism of Toyota. They built that demand. But right now, the value game is winning for buyers. Their fight for market share is your discount. That's the game. The cars that are impossible to get a deal on, the RAV4, the Camry, the Highlander, the Tacoma, that was last video. Link in the description. Watch both. Then decide which side of the Toyota tax you want to be on. The Toyota tax is real, but it's optional.